Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to minimize an application, a finder window, or whatever you have on screen on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer. We can now start this tutorial. We can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder. To minimize the Finder, let's just go to the left top corner of the screen. Go to the traffic lights. These traffic lights allow us to quit the application, minimize and maximize. We are here to minimize, so let's just click on the orange and there you go. That allows us to minimize. Let's bring that back, go all the way down to the dock, bring the Finder window back, minimize. So that's for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.